The A11 Pro Max is the higher version of UMIDIGI's A11 announced back in May. This model has better CPU, larger display and even better camera setup than the standard model. The A11 Pro Max will bring some significant upgrades over the vanilla A11. It will feature a large 6.8-inch punch-hole display over the 6.53-inch water drop panel seen on A11. The screen will push HD+ resolution and maintain the modern thin bezel design. In terms of the optics, the smartphone will feature triple cameras at the rear, but the camera island will be slightly different. It will have a 48MP primary lens at the top middle of the module, while the other two sensors placed vertically just below on the left side. Up front, it will boast a 24MP front camera for taking selfie shots. The device comes in a 6.8 inches IPS display with a resolution of 1080x2460 pixels resolution. The panel is IPS, and it has a very tiny dot notch on the center housing the selfie camera. On the inside, the UMIDIGI A11 Pro Max runs on MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core CPU clocked at 2.0 GHz, along with Mali G52 GPU, 48GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512GB via South Dakota card. The device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, support dual nano SIM with 4G Volt network on both SIMs. It has a built-in 5150 mAh battery with 18W fast charging and run on Google Android 11 out of the box.